Vinny,
Yes, Sanu, I'm ready.
this is what I love about this girl. Internet, no internet. Behind the phoenix is her. So just consider her to be the phoenix, which shows, because her internet always plays up. But this is what it is about. It's about the spirit, no matter what. The show goes on. And that's what this whole forum is about. No matter what, whether there's a lockdown, there's an emotional breakdown, there is a physical breakdown, the show goes on. And that's more important than anything else. Over to Binaifa. Binaifa, before you start reading,
Yes, Sanu.
I just want you to give a little bit of why you got into Cowdies and what really propelled you into this journey. Just 3 minutes or 5 minutes, if you can talk about it.
Sure. Actually, I was always interested in the spiritual world, the alternate therapies. So this just happened to me by chance. Cowries happened to me by chance. I was learning tarot with my teacher Rohini Gupta, and we were formulating a fair called the Yantra Fair. This was around, I guess, 10 years ago, or more than that, more than 10 years ago. And she wanted to do something different. So when she had gone to Nasik, one of the roaming sadhus there had just taught her how to read with shells. And she came back and she formulated this method. We added a lot more to cowries, and she taught a couple of us of how to do predictions with cowries, and I was one of them who took it forward. And I'm here today after 12 or 13 years or even more than that practicing, and I'm still learning every day. Every time I do a reading with cowries, even I'm surprised as how they talk to me and how things just reveal themselves. So I'm still learning even after 14 years or odd learning, working with the cowries. I feel I'm still learning with them, growing with them,
And
and
that's the
connecting
humbleness
with
this
them.
girl has. That's a humbleness this girl has. And she's going to be teaching us if you want to learn. I'm going to be one of the
Yes.
students. If you want to learn how to predict with the Cowdies, do connect with me. And we create a workshop for her in October. And that's why I will be not doing anything on Sundays, because I'm going to be giving more time to these workshops and giving more time to myself. Yeah. And that's perfectly all right, I think, at this point. Hopefully there will not be another lockdown. Hopefully. If that happens, then we are still stuck. तुम मेरे साथ, मैं तुम्हारे साथ. Okay, Vinayaka. Let's read for our first speaker, Kavita Freedom. And
Yes.
I really want to know on her behalf.
On my behalf.
Yeah.
Hi, Kavita.
Hi.
Arpana ji, mute kar le, please. I really want to ask on her behalf.
Okay.
When is it that there is going to be so let me rephrase it. There is already a smile on her face. But when is it that that smile will be complete?
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry, Kavita, तेरे मुंह से मैंने सवाल नहीं होने दिया जनरल.
How typical of you.
How typical of me.
Kavita, it's there. You still have a few hurdles to overcome, which you are going to, but it's soon. It's soon, and that is going to happen when you're going to connect more with yourself and just leave the rest.
I think I'm already doing that.
Good.
Yeah. So it's there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Vinny, next reading for Neetu. Neetu, any question that you have in particular?
I just want to know about my work.
Okay. Anything in particular about work?
Actually, I'm looking to expand it more.
Huh.
I don't know why I feel there's something that I miss. And yeah, that's what I want to know.
Okay. So, Neetu, for you, what I'm getting is try to see a different pathway of how you can go about things. Maybe something non-traditional, maybe something you've not looked at as yet. So you just need to connect to your work and just be with it for some time and see what is opening up. You will need more people to work with you to expand. And the best way to get your answers is to sit with yourself and do some chanting, do some prayer, whatever mantra that you do regularly, or if you've not done as yet, start doing something and continue with that one thing till you get your answers. But you will get them. It's a struggle right now, but you will. So you are getting messages. It's not that you're not. And go ahead with that. Some partnership you are thinking of or working with somebody. So even for that, just, I don't know, maybe if you're scared to work with those people or you don't know, some unsurety is there. So just clear your mind about all these things and things will flow easily. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wonderful. It feels as if,
Ma'am, I also want reading.
who is that I now? नाम होगा ना आपका? Minakshi? Is your name Minakshi?
Darpana.
No, I think so. The other one was different, and my name is Meenakshi. This is my voice.
Okay. Okay, we get reading done for the lady Preeti ji. Let's get reading for Preeti.
Okay. Any questions?
Preeti, koi sawal? General reading. I love this word, general.
Okay. Preeti, for you, you are thinking whether to start something spiritual or not, whether to go ahead with it or not. But please do, because that will make you feel more of yourself. It will give you a lot more clarity of what you can do throughout your life and also help you connect better with your family. Thank you.
Wonderful. Reading for Minakshi, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. General reading for Minakshi. You're most
Yes,
welcome. I'm again making an announcement. Anybody who wants to hear Kavita Freedom, we are not putting on the Facebook. So you will have to go on the Zoom link, join us on the Zoom, and it's going to be a private affair. So please come online. Thank you.
For you, I'm getting right now you are in the center of a lot of things. So you need to ask for help. Don't shy out from that and learn to see things from a different perspective, because not everything could be as it seems. So the minute you change your perspective about a few things, things will be a little smoother ahead. There is some karmic cleansing happening for you, some movement happening within your reality. So just accept that and work with it, and that's when things will just be more clearer for you. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
thank you, thank you so much. We have the next reading for Darpana Bajaj, who also asked for general reading.
Okay, Darpana, for you, what I'm getting is you need to try and keep yourself a little bit more protected and work with yourself, work with your energies, do some chanting, some meditations, whatever you like, do that. And don't be too rigid about your viewpoints about certain things. You need to just have a wider horizon when you look at some issues. And that is the only way that you're going to be able to work more freely with yourself and with others. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Benepa.
Wonderful. I
Thank you,
just
Anu.
feel you're most welcome. I just feel one more person needs over here reading. I'm just going to go with my gut feeling.
What about you?
Me? वो तो हम कराएंगे उनसे. Mr. Prakash Katpal. Could you please read for him, please?
Sure.
Mr. Katpal, any sawal? Any question?
Mr. Prakash, for you, I'm getting a lot of karmic clearing happening. A lot of energies are coming up which you may not be comfortable with. So just ask for help. Maybe if you feel you need professional help from a therapist, please go ahead and do that. You are getting many messages, a lot of messages regarding things where you can work in with spirituality, work with a modality which will really benefit you. So please go ahead and do that. You definitely need to do some prayer, some chanting, some form of protection is required. You have that intuition of what to do, but just don't block yourself out. Do that, and that is also going to help you open up your money issues. Whatever, if you feel that you're suffering right now, some issues are there with money, it's going to clear up as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Could you do reading for me, please? Just
Yes.
like Kavita says, "Tere liye kya?" I'm also a speaker.
General reading, no?
General reading, huh? Please.
Yes. No, I'm seeing a lot of inner happiness for you right now. With that, working with spirituality, and you are also really moving ahead, changing your viewpoints about a lot of things, learning to go with the flow. So all that is really culminating into something beautiful. And family is also going to be very happy. A lot of space opening up for you there. Just a small block is still there which you need to work on, and once that is done, it's going to be really beautiful. So enjoy this time.
Big hugs to you. I don't know
Thank
whether I
you.
should strangle you or to keep happy with you. Every time I speak, it's like saying everything is okay, but
But
sorry, that's my inner feeling. That's love ki ladai with Binny. Okay, guys. Again, last time announcement. I'm going to go in with the next speaker, Kavita. Aarti is going
Can
to
I
be
have a
joining
reading,
us
please?
today. Okay. We'll read for you, Shamina. Just give me a minute.
No, I'm here.
Hi.
Could you please read for Aarti and Shamina?
yes,
Thank you, Anuji.
we'll go with Aarti first.
I'll become a major general. गंदा वाला जोक था.
So Aarti, for you, I've got working more on the spiritual path, and with that asking for help. So this is spiritual help that I'm getting. Ask your guides to really be with you and help you on this path, and it is going to get better and better, smoother road ahead. Working more with animals. Some block again is there in the family side, but it will clear up. There's nothing to worry about. Work with your intuition and just work with a different perspective as far as people you love are concerned, and that will automatically sort itself out. Thank you.
Thank you, Vinayfa. We have reading for Shamina.
Yes. Okay, so Shamina, for you, a lot of inner work has come up. So work with yourself, work with a modality that you're comfortable with, and you want to move ahead with that. And this is going to be purely for yourself. Do something and work with something where it's just going to benefit you and take you ahead in your life, because you need to work with something different and change your perspective, where you are comfortable maybe living with even yourself or with your family and your loved ones. So just go ahead, pursue something which will really help you grow within yourself. Thank you.
Wonderful. Deep acknowledgement for you, my dear Binny.
Thank you,
Deep
Anu.
acknowledgement, and thank you so much for giving hope and love to each and every one.
Thank
So
you.
over to the next speaker,